Hi, so today I'm going to be explaining how to use the technological tool Flipgrid. I really like this technological tool because it helps increase student engagement and allows the students to express themselves either by webcam or sharing their screen and showing what they've done and how they've created different things. So for one of these, I made a topic called the butterfly life cycle, and as you can see, well, no one's said anything, obviously, but this Flipgrid's really easy to use. You basically send your students this code right here, and they join and they can record their response. So if they click record a response, you have this right here. You have all these different options. Mic only, mute, mirror video, effects they can use. And when you record something, it's very easy. They have a 3-minute limit here, obviously, but they're allowed to go back and delete, and they're allowed to edit it in any way they can, so they feel like it's best. And yeah, it's super easy. And this really allows the students to express how they feel about different topics and show what they know. And what they've learned. And I really think this is important that they can talk it out to the teacher and be able to share what they know. And yes, this is Flipgrid, and thank you.